Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a photograph, and I've already deleted it, of some wheat or barley. I think this is wheat. And I couldn't trace it. There are people out there that probably could. I just want to let him know. I took a clip art off the internet and actually, I actually just looked around. I actually used this color one. And I just took one crop of that because this is a pretty good size image. And I just took one of those and I made this array of wheat, and it's pretty close to what he had. But to make this really stand out, I think, some people might think I'm crazy, I'm gonna go to Edit, Find and Replace. I'm gonna go to Edit Query. I'm gonna double click on the Uniform Fill Text, grab my eyedropper tool, and I'm gonna grab that black. And I'm gonna put OK, and then I'm gonna find all. And then I'm gonna nudge it out of the way. Okay, first of all, I should have ungrouped it because it's all in a group. Go to Group and Ungroup, find all, and then nudge it out of the way. I don't know why that's not working. You've got to nudge, you can't just move it. There we go. So you could move it back and then nudge it out. Then what I would do is take this one and nudge it up, and I would run your plaque with your text. He actually said it's part of a logo, but this would really make it stand out. If you did this deep, like 100 power at 50 speed on wood, and then do your other logo, your text, your wording, and move everything out of the way and put this back and do this like at 100 power at 100 speed, and it'll just barely touch the surface. Not only that, if your plaque is square and fits in the laser bed tight, you could take this out with all your wordage and sand it off, sand all your burn residue off, put it back in your laser and just run this lightly. You won't have to sand it off because it's so light. It'll make it really pop. Trust me on that. I do that a lot. It's double work. And even though this is a gray and the laser should change the color a little bit, one, it doesn't change it that much, and two, you can't control it. Now you could do that with color mapping, but it's gonna have to run it twice anyway. But if you do it this way, it's gonna pop. I mean, I don't know what part of the wheat these tassels are, but it's gonna pop. Trust me. I mean, look at it against some yellow background. Go to Object and Order and back a page. You've got some parts of the wood that are gonna show through. And then this is gonna be dark, and this is not gonna be as dark by a long shot. And what's so nice about doing at 100 power, 100 speed, if it's not quite dark enough, run it again and get it where you want it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.